Welcome back to the School of Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Joe here with Chefs Kim and Chef Eli, and we're making a K-12 favorite with an Asian twist. Our Asian turkey Philly cheesesteak featuring thick sliced Butterball turkey breast and Kikkoman low sodium teriyaki glaze. This recipe hits the mark for flavor, nutrition, and ease of service. It's perfect for school lunch. Chefs, you ready to go?
Sir.
Let's go. All right, guys, there you have it. The School Food Rocks Asian Turkey Philly Cheesesteak featuring thick sliced Butterball turkey breast steak and Kikkoman low sodium teriyaki glaze. Awesome recipe. It credits for 2 meat alternative, 2 grain, 1/4 cup of vegetable. It's melty, packed with flavor, and kids absolutely love it. All right, guys, you can find this recipe in our library of recipes in the Healthy Pro system, recipe number 1792951. Thanks for watching. See you next time.